Students, today's topic is working with control panel.
Hello students, today we start with the practical of working with the control panel. So what is control panel? Control panel is a system folder, okay, using which we can make changes in the appearance and current setting of Windows. So by using control panel we can make changes in the appearance, okay, and the current setting of Windows. We will change the setting of Windows and the appearance also. So how we can start control panel in a computer? First of all, there are two ways. First way is click on the start button, okay, click on the start button and select the control panel option from the right pane, okay, just click on it and this is the control panel of your computer, okay, this is the control panel. Second method is this: double click on the computer icon on the desktop. See, where is the computer icon on the desktop? See, this is the computer icon. You have to double click on it and see on the toolbar there is one option, open control panel. You have to click on this. See, this is the same control panel as we open from the start button. So there are two ways to open control panel. First of all, click on the start button, then on the right pane click on the control panel. So these are same, okay. So now I will tell you how to change the date and time in your computer. How you can change if the date and time option is incorrect in your computer, and how you can change. First of all, open the control panel and then click on the date and time, okay, click on the date and time option. See, this is the date and time option, okay. You want to change the date and time, then click on the, by default date and time is selected, by default date and time is selected, click on the change date and time. So this is the calendar showing here and this is the correct date, 27 April 2020. If the date is incorrect, then you can change the date according to this calendar, and you can also use this forwarding buttons for changing the month, okay. And if you want to change the time, then you can set the hour, okay, and minutes also, second also, and change hour, minute and the second, and then click on the OK button, okay. Now I will tell you how to change the font style. Firstly, open the control panel and just click on the fonts option available here, click on this. See, there are many type of fonts available, just double click and see what kind of font it is, okay. See the font style, okay. You can check any of the font and use that font for your application. See here, okay. So these are the different type of fonts available in the control panel. You can change any of the font style from here. Next is how you can if your mouse is not working, then what will you do? Okay, sometimes mouse is not working and you are doing important thing, then how can you change the mouse different options from your computer also? Just open the control panel, okay. Then click on the ease of center option, ease of access center, just click on it, and then you have to click on the make the mouse easier to use, make the mouse easier to use. See here, there are different type of mouse pointers are there. You can change any of the mouse pointer. If you want to control the mouse with the keyboard, as your mouse is not working, You can also control the mouse with the keyboard. Just click on it, turn on mouse keys, and then click on setup mouse keys. Okay, setup mouse keys with the numeric lock in off mode. If this is in off mode, you can click on button and then OK. Okay, then your keyboard act as a mouse. Okay, so these are how to change the mouse setting. If you want to change the speed of the pointer, okay, then you also change the speed of the pointer. If you move this uh, if you move this slider towards left, then the speed of the mouse is slow, and if you move this slider right, then the speed of the mouse is fast. Students, if you are working on any application and suddenly your keyboard is not working, then what you should do? You just click on the start button and then click on the all programs and then click on the accessories option and then find the ease of access folder. Okay, just click on it and then click on screen keyboard. See, this is the on screen keyboard. If your keyboard is not working, you can open this on screen keyboard to work in any application in which you are working. Okay, for example, if I want to write here, click, so I just CLICK, see here, click is writing. Okay, so this is the on screen keyboard. Okay, on screen keyboard is used when the keyboard is not working, then you can use this.
Thank you.